Hi, I'm Jeffrey Marles from Listowel Honda, and today I'm excited to introduce you to the 2025 Honda Pilot Black Edition, a spacious and capable SUV that's built to tackle your family's adventures with confidence and style. Let's dive into its standout features in performance, design, technology, and safety. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda Pilot features a powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering an impressive 285 horsepower and 262 foot-pounds of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the Pilot ensures smooth acceleration and responsive handling. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a road trip, the 7 available drive modes provide superior control and confidence in any weather condition. Plus, with a towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds, the Pilot is ready for all your gear, from trailers to boats. The 2025 Pilot boasts a rugged yet refined exterior design. Its bold, gloss black front grille, LED headlights, and sleek body lines make a striking impression. The Pilot's aggressive stance is complemented by available 20-inch aluminum alloy gloss black wheels and Black Edition badging, adding a touch of sophistication to its commanding presence. Roof rails come standard, offering added utility for outdoor gear, and the hands-free programmable height tailgate makes loading and unloading effortless, perfect for your busy lifestyle. Inside, the 2025 Honda Pilot offers a spacious and versatile cabin design with families in mind, with seating for up to 8 passengers, including the driver's seat with 10-way power adjustment, including power lumbar support. Premium materials like leather trim seating and soft touch accents elevate the experience, while the panoramic moonroof brings in natural light for an open and airy feel. Plus, with up to 3,175 liters of cargo space when the rear seats are folded down, the Pilot ensures you'll never have to leave anything behind. Stay connected and entertained on every journey with the Pilot's advanced technology. At the center of the dashboard, you'll find a 9-inch touchscreen display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, ensuring seamless access to your apps and media. The Bose premium 12-speaker sound system delivers exceptional audio quality, and the wireless charging pad keeps your devices powered up. Plus, the Honda Link app allows you to control features like remote start and vehicle diagnostics right from your smartphone. As always, safety is top priority, and the 2025 Honda Pilot is equipped with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced driver assist technologies. Features like Collision Mitigation braking system, road departure mitigation system, and adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow work together to keep you and your loved ones safe. Thank you for joining me on this walk-around of the 2025 Honda Pilot Black Edition. If you'd like to experience this incredible SUV for yourself, visit us at Listowel Honda or book your test drive online at listowelhonda.com.